Make sure safety glasses, the dust mask, and ear protection are being worn. Make sure the dust bag is empty. Make sure the proper sanding disc is installed and secure with the holes aligned. Make sure the speed adjustment is checked. If the grit is at 80, the speed needs to be 6. 150, speed 3. 220, speed 1. Make sure the workpiece is properly clamped or secured with cardboard underneath. Check the work area for obstructions. Turn the power switch off. Then plug in the sander. Make sure the sander is placed on the material. Turn the power switch on. Make sure sanding is performed with even pressure and with the grain using long passes. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the tools, empty the dust bag, and store the tools properly.